Hello, friends. Discover the latest and coolest kitchen gadgets you need to upgrade your cooking game. From smart tools to time-saving devices, these must-haves are perfect for every home chef. Watch now to see them in action and make your kitchen life easier. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more gadget reviews. So friends, let's start the video. Vacuum sealer, simple one-touch sealing. Easily seal your food with the dry or moist buttons. Just press to vacuum and seal dry or moist foods with this vacuum sealer machine. Perfect for preserving meats, vegetables, fruits, and more. This food vacuum sealer keeps your items fresh longer. Precision for delicate foods. Need extra care? The pulse button gives you precise control over vacuuming soft or delicate items like chips or baked goods, ensuring they stay intact. With this food sealer vacuum sealer, you can preserve your food's texture and flavor with confidence. External canister vacuuming. Expand your sealing options with the external vac button to vacuum seal food in canisters. Whether it's liquids, snacks, or smaller items, this vacuum sealer for food handles it all. No need for bulky freezer bags. Bacon grease container. Safe material. The grease container and the tray are made of wrought iron with non-stick coating. The fine mesh strainer is made of stainless steel, and the handle is made of Bakelite. Food-grade material, keep oil healthy. Filtration function. The removable strainer is fine enough to filter out debris, food particles, and impurities from the oil. Keep you cleaner and healthier cooking oil. The anti-slip coaster tray will prevent oil spill onto the countertop. Perfect designed cooking oil container. There is a lid on the grease collector, which will stop the dust falling into the oil. Small outlet design works well to prevent any leakage. High temperature resistance and rust resistant. Waffle maker. Easy to use. With dual indicator lights and a 5-setting browning control, you can choose your waffle's specific cook temp. Ceramic non-stick surface waffle grids easily release waffles and make cleaning effortless. Must-have features. Regulating thermostat with red and green, ready-to-bake, ready-to-eat indicator lights. You've also got 1-inch deep batter pockets for thick, delicious waffles. Also stands on end for compact storage. Included, instruction manual and recipe book with several recipes to get you started. Limited 3-year warranty. Refer to user manual for troubleshooting steps and questions surrounding warranty policies. This product is BPA-free. Egg dispenser. Efficient egg storage solution. This durable clear plastic egg dispenser for refrigerator effortlessly holds up to eggs, making it an ideal kitchen egg organizer with lid for any household seeking improved fridge organization. Sleek design with natural accents. The egg holder with wooden lid features a stylish wooden top that adds a touch of natural elegance, seamlessly integrating into any modern kitchen while maintaining efficient refrigerator egg storage. Robust and transparent construction. Made from durable clear plastic, this clear egg container ensures longevity and strength. Easy to clean and refill. The smooth surface and removable lid make it easy to clean, refill, and maintain a hygienic storage environment. Paper plates. New look, same great paper plate. Dixie Ultra disposable plates have a fresh, new design while keeping the same strong plate you love to handle your heaviest meals. Our strong and sturdy disposable plates are microwavable, cut-resistant, and feature a soak-proof shield. Plus, they're built with flex-proof technology for heavy-duty paper plates that are 3x stronger than the leading store brand 10-inch paper plate asterisk. Dixie Ultra paper plates are now backyard and commercially compostable. With sustainability and conservation in mind, our responsibly made products use virtually every part of the trees we process, and the trees used for Dixie products are replenished. This bulk paper plates pack includes 172 compostable paper plates 10-inch. Vertical lever. Iconic wine opener. A crowd favorite and bestseller, this rabbit corkscrew wine opener makes opening wine effortless. Easy to use corkscrew. The fastest and most efficient way to open a bottle of wine. By using 2 swift motions of the lever handle, the cork is easily removed. Perfect for sommeliers or entertaining guests at home. Built to last. Independently tested for 20,000 cork pulls to ensure quality and durability. The lever wine opener works on any type of cork. Time saver. Quickly and cleanly removes corks from any size wine bottle in seconds with a single pull, Then it easily ejects the cork. Comfortable grip. This rabbit lever corkscrew is designed for ease and controlled leverage. French fry cutter. Classic vegetable chopper. Made of high-quality BPA-free food-grade ABS plastic. This durable vegetable chopper is equipped with all-around protection for hands and ultra-sharp stainless steel blades for better performance when chopping/dicing hard fruits and vegetables. Versatile chopper. This French fry cutter is equipped with 4 blades, including 2 dicer and 2 wedge blades. It is ideal for evenly cutting French fries, carrots, and zucchini. When handling blades, please be careful as the blades are sharp and can cause injury. Save space-time. This compact space-saving kitchen chopper vegetable cutter is easily stored away for safekeeping, as all pieces fit into the chop box container. Additionally, with the added convenience of its container, once fruit and vegetables have been cut, they can easily be transferred into a pot or pan. Pan set. High-performance non-stick coating equipped with a premium non-stick coating. Our pots and pans offer exceptional durability and performance. Easy to clean and free from harmful chemicals like PFOA, it ensures a healthier cooking experience. Secure removable handle cookware set features a cutting-edge removable handle with a secure locking mechanism. This ensures a stable and reliable grip during cooking, so you can cook with confidence every time. Convenient storage and cleaning. The detachable handle design saves valuable storage space and simplifies cleanup. Easily remove the handle for a quick and thorough wash, keeping your cookware and kitchen spotless. Durable construction quality service made of high-quality aluminum. Both the pot itself and the removable handle have been rigorously tested to ensure durability and stability over long periods of use. When you buy our brand, you will get reliable products and attentive after-sales service. Air fryer. Dual air fryer with 2 baskets. Cook food faster and more conveniently with 2 powerful air fryers in one with a combined 6-quart large air fryer capacity. Versatile cooking options. Dual-zone air fryer technology gives you the flexibility to cook different dishes simultaneously or to switch from one basket to the other easily. Food finishes together. Convenient sink finish allows individual 3-quart large-capacity air fryer double baskets to finish cooking simultaneously. Wide temperature range. Use digital air fryer temperature settings from 200 to 450 degrees Fahrenheit to cook food at low or high heat, just how you want it. Easy cleanup. The removable non-stick air fryer baskets are top-rack dishwasher safe and easy to clean after every use. Electric candle lighter. Upgrade electric lighter. The windproof and splash-proof design of the electric arc lighter ensures that you can easily use it under any weather conditions. Not only candle lighter, the flexible and 360 rotatable neck of the lighter can meet the needs of your in different occasions. Rechargeable USB lighter. The lighters can be used 600 times on a single charge, which display real-time battery volume. Portable lighter. The size of the lighter is very small and slim. It is suitable for daily use. What you get: an electric lighter, a USB charging cable, and a manual.